How can we make someone smile? You could say, hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Bore da.
Hello. Pnawn da.
People always smile if you're being kind to them. You could give someone a compliment. I like your hair, Lau. You could write a letter. You could draw a picture and send it to someone you love. With the help of a grown-up, you could bake a cake and then share it. You could help the grown-ups at home with the chores. Sweeping, filling the dishwasher, dusting or hoovering, washing the dishes, wiping the surfaces, saying please.
Please. Os gwelwch yn dda.
Saying diolch or thank you.
Diolch, Mam.
Diolch, thank you. You could pull a funny face. You could tell a joke.
What do you call a cow on a trampoline?
I don't know. What do you call a cow on a trampoline?
A milkshake. Ha 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 ha.
Silly Daddy.
What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dino snore.
Hey Bo, what's brown and sticky?
I don't know.
A stick. Ha 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 ha.
You could ask someone if they needed help.
Wyt ti eisiau help?
Bore da pawb. Dewch. Wyt ti eisiau help?
You could smile. You could say goodbye or hwyl fawr.